How can I help you?
At the George.
This is Isaac.
Victor left on an evening flight.
Good. What about the dead police officer?
I'll make it go away.
Good.
Mr. Sirko.
But we'll get to that. If someone in the Brotherhood decided to make an example of him,
Without...
you're in luck. I believe you. We have a lot to discuss. Or rather, former employer. I believe you recently gave notice. Your feedback is important. Would you mind telling me why you quit? Yeah, maybe that's why you talked to the police.
No.
I lied. I didn't have you followed. You loved her, didn't you?
What?
Kasia. You were in love with her. It's terrible to lose someone you love. Your name is Nadezhda, but you go by Nadia. Nadezhda Obukova. It was said that her voice could unlock the mysteries of the heart. My music teacher, Mr. Chilich. My father shipped me off to a disciplinary school in England. My love of opera is all that's left of my sensitive side. What the police know about Victor. Victor is smart. And probably took the bracelet off the dead girl to keep the police from getting it. He probably has it and is hiding out somewhere.
But we'll...
So, now get to the point. What happened to the bracelet? Where?
Victor's...
The signal stopped.
He took a boat offshore to avoid...
Whoever killed him left from this marine. Can you pinpoint the exact slip? It's worth the wait. Doesn't mean we can't enjoy ourselves in the meantime.
Yeah, I'm fine. What brings you here?
Me? I'm looking for something.
Aren't we all?
Ironic, isn't it? We're both here for a different reason, and the result is the same. That one. Who are you?
Some kind of security?
Who are you? Did you kill Victor?
Well, hey, look.
I want
fuck out of
answers.
here. Hey, I will call...
I'm gonna put your eyes out to keep from drilling into your brain.
Or anything. Okay, Morgan, I hate this guy's fucking guts.
Who is Dexter Morgan?
Like I said, he's...
Yes. His face looks familiar.
Dug up a Morgan in there.
Blood spatter.
Whatever. Shot by a serial killer a few years back.
The man we killed on the boat? Victor's death. Is it payback for killing that detective?
All the people he could have shot.
So it's Victor's fault he's dead.
Yeah. At least not to me. Everything was going great.
At Miami Metro knows this. Maybe this Morgan and Green were working alone. I believe Dexter Morgan knows why. I want to talk to him.
Waiting to drop off our supply, even though we... Yeah?
So let's give them what they want.
Mr. Sirko,
What are their names?
my son Zachary.
They're twins, yes? How old? Well, you see, tell me, how much money do you send back to Kursk each month? Sacrifice for you, I'm sure. But still, It's not very much. I have a problem. One of my men killed a police officer. The police are suspect, so they'll stop harassing us. And that suspect is you. I want you to write a note. Pen, paper. Killed the police officer. Look at your children's faces, wanting you to give them the best life. You would do this for them. Look, no need for threats. You won't feel a thing. It'll be quick. Like turning off a light. Unless you knew who you were looking for. I will avenge. Maybe still is. Who I found on your boat, the boat that was used to dump Victor in the ocean, gave me your name. I'm not stopping with you. I also want any of your police officer friends involved in this little vendetta. Sister, I've done my homework too.
Hello, handsome.
That's the plan.
Killing Isaac would make a lot of Koshkas very angry. Isaac, I knew you'd show up eventually. Don't worry, I'm not gonna lose you. Weapon hit his victim over the head, full fracture.
We're gonna have to fucking pay them back. I'll get some guys and do it myself if you want.
Little chat with us?
Exercising his American right to silence.
Got a booking. Your clients.
Maybe now that Isaac's behind bars, we can have...
Oh, Dexter. I underestimated you. You come here to taunt me.
No, I just thought...
It was quite simple, really. There was the briefest flicker of hesitation there. And that's when he found that... That's true.
Pig.
Right. I was a businessman. I found you have to weigh short-term gains against long-term... True. In the long term, your plan falls a little short. Now, the art of any deal is negotiating. Someone has to keep an eye on you while I'm in here. You need to get me out of here as soon as humanly possible. Nothing. Have you heard from Detective Quinn?
Which is weird because...
Do not disappoint me.
Очень рад тебя видеть, босс.
Your back committee.
More like a parade. Heat like that's gotta make...
Not yet, George. Miami is still overcrowded by one. Looks tasty. Certainly choked on of late. Not yet. Not with... Yes, I certainly hope they are, for your sake. Well, so long as I'm waiting around to kill you, I thought we might have a little... Good chip. While I was incarcerated, and I will move heaven and earth to snuff out your life because you killed Victor, that you were able to lead me into a trap. It won't happen again. You see, I know what motivates me to kill my friend, a man you barely knew for less than 3 months. What's all public record? I have a feeling that you're a different kind of animal. The question is, what kind are you, Dexter Morgan? You're gonna regret sharing that with me. For the chip.
The cops are dicks, but they're not morons. What business? You're not thinking straight here. Mom.
Kill Isaac. Why is it so hard?
Not anymore, anyway. Do you recognize him? George wouldn't make a move without getting approval from the boys in Kiev. So much for brotherhood. You've already gone above and beyond the call of duty, Yerk. Well, that's a job for the police, isn't it? Why don't you go and give our friends downstairs a call? Looks like the gang's all here.
So you have no idea what he...
Seems I have an alibi. I hope they're trustworthy. Dex, tell us your theory.
There you go. Vince is gonna take it from here.
What a pleasant surprise. Some vestige of civility left, even in this corner of the world. I'm an opportunity. Barman, have a beer for my friend Dexter Morgan. I thought I'd feel comfortable in a gay bar. The one thing that made my life worth living in Kiev, you tossed in the ocean a few weeks back. And what did you do to the man who murdered your spouse?
I can see that Victor...
And if she weren't, you'd feel the same. That's because you're a scientist. Love defies reason. That just depends on where we end up, doesn't it? It's a shame, really. Under different circumstances, I think we could have been great friends. Till next time.
Isaac, I'm at the airport in Miami. I'll be home soon.
You're positive?
Who? Do you?
Your phone. Oleg, it's...
Isaac!
We can talk about this. Right then. Relax. Wish I could say the same thing. Koshkas have sent 2 of their own to kill me, and I need your help to stay up. Is you. Your life. Very well. Dexter, you're just in time for tea. Hope you don't mind, I let myself. Far enough. I just want to talk. Yoga's seeing to that.
Let her go.
Well, not quite. Splendid idea. If she didn't, I'd be dead by now. You killed Victor for me in my apartment. He had a gun, you had a knife. I think I have exactly the... You get Hannah back. I walk away from Miami. And from you. I'm a man of my word.
Hannah, I trust you, and the reason, my dear, is right here.
Sorry. That's enough. Behave.
No, wait,
Any weaknesses? Cafe likes it up close and personal. And as you saw, high-powered rifles specifically. Doors. That's his favorite. Well, just where are you? Helter-skelter. Killed 2 men. A loved one's life hangs in the balance, and you're hungry. Just how many men have you killed? Same question once. He answered 16. But you don't seem to revel in what you do. Why? Why do you do it? Why are you a killer? Fast work. I see I chose wisely.
What does he know about you?
Everything, I suppose. I'm sure the cock come after you, hoping to find me. You're willing to be bait? Has anyone ever told you you've got serious trust issues? Not quite. Someone wishes to speak to her. Them.
everything. Stupid boat of yours again.
I have to get back to work. You know, if I had the chance to speak to Victor again and he... Yeah, but there she was, trying to comfort you, and you just couldn't manage to do the same. Well, look around. Because of you. Fuck you.
Is that what all these questions are about? Wondering him?
He was my life! No. You're the... Fearless is one of ours. I'll be waiting there. See? Man of my word. Fine. Together then. I'll wait for you below. What the hell happened to you? Well, what are you waiting for, you little shit? No! I need you to do me one better. Fearless in the face of death, and yet so afraid to live.
I'm not afraid.
Then what is it?
Inevitable.
Gives you intimacy. There's hope for you yet.